Hi everyone, Ashi here, and in today's video I take you on a trip to Antalya city. Antalya is the fifth most populous city in Turkey, bordered by the Taurus Mountains, and it is a gateway to Turkey's southern Mediterranean region, known as the Turquoise Coast for its blue waters. We started our day by visiting the Duden Falls, which exist in two separate places. First, we visited the Lower Duden Falls, which is located in Lara East, where the waters come from the Upper Duden waterfall. The waterfall meets the Mediterranean Sea, flowing about 40 meters in height, and the place is situated close to Antalya city. Next, we went to the Upper Duden waterfall, which is a very impressive one. Here, the water flows from 15 meters in height and form a 20-meter width, very beautiful pool. You can see the falls from above, and you can even walk in a hidden cave located behind the water cascade.
Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh.
We then proceeded for a scenic tour where we took the cable cars up, and trust me, the view is just amazing. From the mountain, you'll see the beautiful coastline of Antalya, gorgeous forests, and the Mediterranean Sea.
You're chilling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, 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 oh,
Lastly, we went to Antalya's Old Town College in the evening and took a boat ride. We got to enjoy the beautiful view of the ocean and the sunset.
You're chilling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you
it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and turn on the notification bell to get notified every time I post a new video. Thank you for being here, and I wish you a great day.